guys, this is just a quick unboxing. Right now we have two of these guys. Now just around the box so you guys can see all the information. There isn't that much, so I could tell you that everything you guys see online most likely it is on the box itself. There wouldn't be more information on it. So here's packaging for it. And yes, these come with batteries, obviously 10 years, so it should be good. Now we're gonna install them both later on in another video, setup video. We're gonna be installing these guys. Plus there will be a long-term review so you guys can see whether these guys are worth it or not. So all we're gonna have to do is take these out so you guys can see exactly what's in here. So we're just gonna break this open. So here we go. So what do we get inside? Well, this pretty much just instructions. It's gonna help you guys out a little bit. Now here the plate's very important. That's gonna go on the roof. I can tell you that right away. You got screws. You might use them, might not use these. Who knows? Depends what you guys have as a setup. This can be important. Depends. This would just be in the back, as you guys can see. And that's pretty much it. Here, this is pretty important, so I suggest keeping this. Yes, you guys can find instructions also online. So is this indispensable that you guys have it? Well, it's good to have it as something quickly to look up some instructions. Other than that, yes, you guys can get that online. Now let's take a look at this itself. So right away, I can tell you guys this feels pretty light. Actually, very light. Expect it to be a little bit heavier because of the batteries that comes inside already built in. And yeah, so feels really light for what I expected. Now it is thicker than what I thought it would be, but other than that, it's pretty standard. It's pretty standard smoke detector, and from what I know, from the ones that say that they talk as well, not just the sound, it's both. So it's not just gonna talk, it's not just gonna tell you fire, fire. It's also gonna make that horrible sound that they all make, plus the talking. So don't think that it's just gonna get rid of that just because you buy one that talks as well. So it's something that people always tell me, that they buy one of those, maybe not to freak out their dogs too much with that horrible sound, but it's gonna make that horrible sound, plus it's gonna talk and tell you smoke, smoke. So that's one thing that you guys should know about some of these alarms that tell you that they talk. Others that don't tell you they talk, obviously it's just the sound. There isn't too much to say or look around in a smoke detector. So for an unboxing video, this will be very short, but you guys got a glimpse of it. The size, well, if you guys have the new iPhone, for example, that would be approximately the size. Even with an iPhone, an older generation like an iPhone 6, yeah, that's about the size and about the size. So this would be how tall an iPhone is, kind of, and then this would be also how tall an iPhone would be. Comparable with, let's say, an iPad. I'm gonna compare with another Apple product. Well, two of these would make an iPad mini, for example. So kind of gives you a glance of how big this is. But all smoke detectors are pretty much the same. Only the Wi-Fi ones, they tend to be different depending what brand you guys have. But other than that, all the ones from every single brand, pretty much the same. Alright, anyways, that would be it for this video. This is just an unboxing. I do have the setup video plus the long-term review, so watch that in my channel. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you!